good people, we thank Baba God for another day Baba God does give us. Another day more does he see you. Today my yarn is going to be about parents to they pay their children visits for school. Mostly the ones when they higher institution unannounced, all those kinds of surprise visits. It is very important for parents once when you pay your children surprise visits. Because you will get to discover so many things, so kind of things when they happen these days for our higher institution. Because really, nobody really get your time once you don't enter higher institution. For school, now lecturers won't going to look what you they do. And lecturers won't going to look whether you attend class. Lecturers don't get your time. They will mark attendance normal. But to come and give you that necessary strict guidance, a lecturer no go get that time to do one. Everybody get the one when they do them. But as a parent, I just believe say make we see they play some kind roles, they visit your children unannounced. Because these days, some kind doings they shock me. You could find out say Pikin carry go school. And institution, the Pikin don't be family woman, family man for school. And the Pikin they take care of full household. You go they shock for your own Pikin doings. Your own Pikin go day, you go your day one side. You don't forget say that school they still not grow, then go they cook for full family. Then they could do some kind doings when be say even the Pikin no they do one for house. Some of our children these days they live double life. Pikin go day house, if he be Muslim, he go come school, go turn Christian. Pikin go day house, no mind they cover body. He go come school, he not go they cover body. The day when your parents go tell and say, you call am for phone say we dey come visit you today that day go cover body, you go come as you sight the Pikin you say yeah that's my child, they do well. But really they do well, a double life they live. Once you don't they come house now, all those are closed. Now that clothes you carry come house, they cover up. Once you reach school, don't change religion. Something is wrong. Things they happen now. Some of our children of these days, you go find out say they know they stay school. You go rent hostel when you put them. Maybe you put them inside hostel for inside school. They know they stay. Some of them go just day one guy house just so they follow up. They not go they go school. They not go they go classes. They go just day morning, afternoon, evening. They cook for people, cook for guys for house. Then be their work. The boy go see at the end of the day, the boy go sit on them to portion bag. Go see they beat them left, right, and center. All in the name of one or two things when they get from her. They don't they go school. That's why it is very important because of time discovery, make person they call it discover now. It is shock person. That's why it is important as parents. As parents, they try to pay your children surprise visits to their school. When you see with your eyes, what they happen. May you see with your when Pikin may come up for house, come school when that time Pikin or another person Pikin you can't see maybe your Pikin body. So that you go know what really they happen. Because these times make we just day, whether I was in a trying times, but some people go also in end times. I really don't know. Because of kind things when our young people they do these days, they shake the full town, they fear person. Because Pikin when you go send go school, say madam, brother, attend class, come out with good grade when you visit they come out with. Learn things. May you see know what he made to go the 4 walls of institution. They know that one no. Once they go school, another thing entirely they carry their brain. So when you Pikin will come house, if they live another life, you go say yes, that's my child. But which life they live for school? That one of the things when be say, as a parent, we need to see they find out once in a while. Then we need to see try. As be say we pay the surprise visit, we pay the unannounced visit. It is the help to give the Pikin they focus. You understand? They focus on wetin make am come school. Because most times they help most of them they on their toes because they'll say, mom see if you just show anytime, popsy if you just show anytime. So we go help them to they focus on why meeting carry them come to school. Don't be to you do paper all that time. What carry you come to school? You don't feel achieve one, you don't feel get good grades. You they get nobody say me you know flex so. Nobody say me you know philandra, but when they do your philandraing, you go see no say na book carry you come. Use your sense make God give you, still use am. You still know wetin carry you come school, focus and achieve am. At the same time, another thing when I see know say go still help na communication. You understand? Some parents go just leave, carry pikin go school finish. They go just feel say, I don't send you go school. Now you want to do your things. Because I dey wonder how as parents you go send 19-year-old, 18-year-old go school. The 19-year-old, 19-year-old go dey pay her school fees. 17-year-old, where the pikin for see money to dey pay the school fees? You go send your female child to her institution, make it go school. Now the pikin, then they fund her bills. You go to the call for her, say, how far Witout school house rent don expire. 17 years old. You dey call and say house rent don expire. You dey call 17-year-old, say her sister when dey primary 6, her sister made the SS3, one roof for WAEC, say the other one made the primary 6, they drop some school fees. Go come send you money, you go and take tidy your things. Wetin dey happen? All those are questions we go ask ourselves, say, what the pikin for see the funds? You know, say philanthropy don dey happen. So I just believe, say, as parents, make we dey try the pay surprise visits to our children for school. Make we see the communication still good. Assumption too, must kick and come out. Not be all those olden days when you go dey assume things, see things, know things. Like people, una do, una not forget, like, subscribe, and share this video. Make parents still know what's up and what dey happen for town.